Hey, check out this melody I wrote over some very unoriginal chords. Hey, it's Avi and welcome to May Melody Madness. Today we're going to answer a really common question that I hear from a bunch of my clients, and that is it okay to write an original melody over chords that you found in a song? First off, yeah, it's okay. Of course it's okay. That's totally fine. Let's look at what you're looking at right now. This is now blank. We're looking at the most classic chord progression of the last 40 or 50 years. The 1, 5, 6, 4 chord progression. Please, in fact, I insist that you go learn a song, take the chord progression, and make something new out of it. Here's why that this is okay. The chords themselves and even the way they function in chord progressions, those aren't copyrightable because there's so many other things that you can do with them that make them unique unto your piece of music. Let's hear how it sounds. You'll recognize it immediately. Yeah, right? It's everywhere. You've heard it. I've heard it. Everyone's heard it a million, billion, trillion times. It's not a trillion. It's trillion. Just want to get that straight. Let's write our own original melody over this. And what we'll also do is maybe change this texture a little bit. Let's do that right now, actually. Let's change this texture because that is one of the biggest ways that you can take something and make it your own. Wherever you found it from, you can change it. So let's, instead of using these big ol' whole notes, let's make this like a fun Alberti bass type of thing instead of that. Let's hear how that sounds. It sounds like other things, yes, but I clearly just wrote this myself. I'm using very common tools, using very common chord progression, but that's nothing, right? Let's make a melody over this, and now it'll like really truly feel like its own piece of music. Let's start on this E. So there we go. We just took the most common chord progression ever, changed the texture over here, some Alberti bass stuff, made a little melody over it. I was really just kind of following my ear. I wasn't trying to do any patterns. I definitely fragmented this a little bit more. And these 16th notes kind of came out of nowhere. And then I added some triplets as, I guess, a liquidation. Let's listen to it. I could copyright this right now. You can go take this exact left-hand chord progression, do all of this, make your own melody, and then you can go and copyright that for you. Go find one of your favorite songs that you've just most recently learned, take the chord progression, write something of your own over it. This mechanism is how music and how composers innovate, make themselves better, and make music and music culture as a whole better. If you want more free videos here on YouTube, just click on the video that's popping up on your screen now. I'm Avi, and don't forget to be awesome.